Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add granite texture background in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add granite texture background in this document. Firstly, insert a text box. Go to the insert menu, then click shape drop down menu, then choose text box. Then draw this text box fit to the page. Then go to the shape format menu and click the format shape. Then click the picture or texture fill. Then click the texture drop down menu and find and select the granite texture. Here the granite texture and we insert it. Now we can see here we added granite texture background of this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.